everyone. Welcome back to Be Fluent in English with Luna and Leo.
We're absolutely thrilled you're joining us today.
I'm Leo.
And I'm Luna. We're your guides to sounding natural, confident, and totally yourself in English.
If you're loving what we're building here, show us some love. Smash that like button and hit subscribe. Your support is everything.
Seriously, it fuels this channel. Thank you.
So Luna, what's on the agenda for today's chat?
We're tackling a daily superpower, talking about what you're passionate about and what you're not, the love it or leave it vocabulary of everyday life.
Perfect. This is the stuff of real conversation. Whether you're ordering food, making plans, or just getting to know someone, this is your toolkit.
And the best part? It's straightforward. The grammar is clean and you can use it the moment you finish watching.
Let's jump right in then. Luna, kick us off with an easy one. Are you a coffee person?
I do enjoy a good latte, actually. But if I'm being totally honest, I'm more of a tea enthusiast. It's my go-to.
See? We just did it. We expressed preferences naturally. Today, we'll break down all the ways to do that, from mild interest to total obsession, or complete aversion.
Sounds like a plan. Let's start with the foundation. Part 1, the essential foundation. The most versatile verb in this game is like. I like sunny days. Simple, clear, effective.
And for the opposite, don't like. I don't like being stuck in traffic. Everyone gets that.
Exactly. These are your conversational bread and butter. Let's get some practice. Leo, hit me with some things you're into.
Sure thing. I'm into live music. I like exploring new neighborhoods, and I really like trying out weird food trucks.
Fantastic. Notice the structure. Like plus noun or like plus verb ending in ing. Both work perfectly.
Your turn, Luna. What floats your boat?
I like historical fiction novels. I like baking bread, it's so therapeutic. And I like having long video calls with my family back home.
Love those. Okay, audience, pause us. Think of 2 things you like. Say them out loud. I like blank. Got it? Awesome.
Now the other side. Leo, confess. What's not your jam?
Okay, full disclosure, I'm not a fan of extreme heat. Also, I don't like when my phone battery dies, and I really don't like spoilers for movies.
Ugh, spoilers are the worst. I don't like feeling rushed in the morning, and I don't like the sound of nails on a chalkboard. Shudders.
So the pattern holds. Don't like plus noun or ing verb. Easy.
Now, to turn this into conversation, we ask questions. Do you like hiking? Do you like Thai food?
And you can answer with the classic, yes, I do, or no, I don't. Luna, are you into podcasts?
Some, yeah. I love true crime podcasts, but I'm not into the really political ones. How about you?
I'm a sports podcast guy, but I can't get into the fantasy league analysis. It loses me.
See? Nuance. We often like parts of things. Now, audience, ask yourself, do I like cooking? Do I like dancing? Answer honestly.
Part 2, leveling up your language. But sometimes like isn't strong enough. You need more firepower.
Enter love. This is for your top-tier favorites. I love the ocean. I love discovering new music.
I love that feeling when you finish a great book. I love Taco Tuesdays. It's a stronger, more passionate word.
And a close cousin, enjoy. I enjoy gardening, a subtle, classy alternative. Quick grammar note. You typically enjoy doing something, an ing verb, or a specific noun like my job.
Right. You'd say, I enjoy reading or I enjoy my weekends, not usually I enjoy books.
Now for the strong negatives, when you really dislike something. Hate. I hate being late. I hate mosquitoes.
A word of caution, hate is potent. Use it sparingly. For milder dislikes, try the softer, I'm not a fan of. I'm not a fan of reality TV. It's more polite.
Another great neutral phrase is, I don't mind. It means it's okay, no strong feelings. I don't mind driving. I don't mind the rain.
And for choices, prefer. I prefer beaches over mountains. I prefer working in the morning.
You can also use I'd rather, followed by the base verb. I'd rather eat in than go out. I'd rather walk.
Part 3, common pitfalls and how to avoid them.
Let's clear up some frequent mix-ups to make you sound super smooth.
Mistake number 1, word order with very much. Don't say, I like very much pizza. Say, I like pizza very much, or more naturally, I really like pizza, or I like pizza a lot.
Mistake number 2, verb form after like. Don't say, I like to swimming. You can say either, I like swimming, ing, or I like to swim, to plus base verb. Don't mix the two.
Mistake number 3, the overuse of hate. If you hate broccoli, Mondays, and slow Wi-Fi, the word loses its power. Reserve it for true annoyances. Use don't like or not a fan of for everyday things.
Mistake number 4, enjoy plus wrong verb form. This is crucial. Don't say, I enjoy cook. Always say, I enjoy cooking, ing form.
Mistake number 5, the missing it. If someone asks, do you like this song? Answer, yes, I like it, or yes, I do. Just yes, I like sounds incomplete.
Part 4, real-world application. Food, hobbies, and more.
Let's put this into real scenarios. First up, food, a universal topic.
Leo, what cuisine gets you excited?
I'm crazy about Italian food. Give me all the pasta. But I'm not into super spicy curries. My mouth can't handle it.
I'm a huge fan of Japanese food. I love sushi, but I don't mind a good burger either. Do you have a sweet tooth?
Are you kidding? I'm obsessed with chocolate, but I'm trying to cut back.
How about hobbies? What do you do for fun?
I'm really into photography and hiking. I'm not into video games, though. They've never clicked for me.
I love that. I'm fond of painting, and I really enjoy yoga, but I'm not into watching sports. I'd rather be doing something active myself.
Music? What's on your playlist?
I'm really into indie folk and classic rock. I'm not a fan of heavy metal. It's a bit too intense for my taste.
I get that. I prefer hip-hop and electronic music for working out.
Part 5, vocabulary power-up.
Let's boost your vocabulary with some killer phrases.
Number 1, can't stand. Really, really dislike. I can't stand arrogant people.
Number 2, fond of. A sweet, gentle way to say you like something. I'm quite fond of old black and white movies.
Number 3, not my thing. A casual, no-pressure way to say you're not interested. Camping is just not my thing.
Number 4, I'm big on, really enthusiastic about something. I'm big on home decor shows right now.
Number 5, that's my jam. Super casual, fun way to say you love it. 80s music, that's my jam.
So what did we conquer today? The full spectrum of likes and dislikes, from like and don't like to love, can't stand, prefer, and all the awesome phrases in between.
You've got the tools to sound nuanced, natural, and engaging. This is how connections start.
Our question of the day for you is, what is one activity you're absolutely crazy about? Is it dancing, hiking, gaming, reading? Tell us in the comments using today's phrases.
We read every single comment. They make our day.
If this helped you, please give this video a thumbs up. It tells YouTube to share it with more amazing learners like you.
And subscribe to Fluent Friends for your weekly dose of confidence and connection. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a lesson.
Keep practicing, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye for now.